This problem wants you to calculate three things: the mean, the median, and the mode from one set of data. Now for the mean, it's going to be between you and your calculator. And calculators are only as accurate as the individual who is operating it. So be careful. Mean is the same thing as average. So you have to come up here and add all these numbers together. And when I did it on my handy dandy calculator, I got a total of 741. And then you have to divide it by the number of numbers. So I counted, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. There were 27 numbers. So, and then the next step, me and my calculator again. And when I divided, I got 27.4444, just kept repeating. This says round your answer to 2 decimal places. So here's the first decimal place and here's the second decimal place. The next number is a 4, which is not halfway, so this is going to stay 27.44. That is the answer that I'll stick in here. That is the mean, also known as the average. Now, in order to do the median, a median is literally the data value in the middle. Just like when you're going down a road, a lot of times there's a median in a busy roadway, so it keeps the cars on the right and the cars on the left separate from each other. It's a median. And sometimes some stupid person tries to cross over that median and they get their car stuck. But anyway, if you have an odd number of data values, which we do, there's 27, you can sit here and count, or you can say, hey, what's halfway between, what's the halfway mark of 27? Well, dun, 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 dun. And there's one left over, or you can say it's 13.5. Halfway would be, well, let's see. When you get to the 14th, that would be halfway, because you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here is 13. But then if I count from this end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here's the other 13, which means this number right here is the one in the middle. It's the 14th data value. So when you divide 27 in half and you get 13, you actually have to add one more to that to figure out it would be the 14th from the left. And these numbers must be in order from smallest to largest. We were very lucky because they gave me all these numbers in order. If they had just randomly thrown these numbers down, I have to sit here and put them in order to find the median. They don't have to be in order to find the mean. You just add them up and divide by the number of numbers. But to do the median, they need to be in order. Thank you, Mobius, for doing that for me. So the answer to this is exactly 27. That's the data value that's dead in the middle. 27 right here. I had 13 to the left and 13 to the right. 27 was dead in the middle. And then the mode, that's the last one. Mode is simply the number that occurs the most. Which number do you have the most of? Spare me a minute here. I'm going to erase all this. When I look at these, I've got 115, 117, 119. Hey, there's two 20s. A 21, a 22, 23, a 24. And then I've got 3 25s. I got 2 26s. I've got 3 27s, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33. I've got 2 33s, and that's it. Okay, there are 2 numbers. I've got 3 25s and 3 27s. That means there's actually 2 modes, which is actually called bimodal. Ooh. I have 2 numbers that occur the most. The field below accepts a list of numbers or formulas separated by semicolons. I have people all the time, they get these answers wrong because they use a comma instead. It clearly says they want a semicolon. So I'm going to put 25 and then a semicolon and 27. And just to prove it to you, I'm going to go back to Mobius. Let's see, what was the answer? 27.44. So I'll put 27.44 right there. The median was 27. And then just for the hell of it, I'm going to put 25 comma 27, not using a colon. I just used a comma. How did I do? And look at that, I counted it wrong. I have the right answer. The 2 modes are 25 and 27. But it said you needed a colon, so go in here and backspace out that and put in the, or semicolon, sorry. Now how did I do? Ta-da! Anyway, when all else fails, read the directions. All right, number 13 is done.